and I leave this video, I just want to appreciate and say how thankful I am for what I have. Sometimes I am not grateful. I'm always thinking about what I could have, what I should have done, what I should have said, and yada yada yada. But we just had, my mom's friend was talking about a guy that froze to death, I believe earlier this morning or last night. That's how cold it is here. And I'm just so happy that I am within these four walls. I have clothes, I have gifts, stuff that I really probably don't even need. I have more than what I need, and I'm just super appreciative. And times is hard, like straight up, times is hard, and people don't have a lot. And I'm just super appreciative of what I have, and I hope you guys have a safe and happy New Year's Eve. Please be safe, don't make dumb decisions, do not drive drunk. If you gotta sleep in your car, it's cool. People might look at you crazy, but at least you're alive. Don't drive drunk. Just be safe, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Hey, it's Dominique Blahzay, and I decided to do the what I got for Christmas video. I didn't get much. Once you get older, your Christmas is non-existent. Honestly, all jokes aside, to me it's more about giving gifts than receiving gifts, but I still get stuff, so I'm blessed, I'm lucky. And this scarf wrap is from CC's Closet. I'll leave their Instagram down below in the description box. I actually bought this on my trip to the Natural Hair Expo in New Orleans this past June. Enjoyed myself, got some great products, and I also bought this head wrap, which is oh so pretty and vibrant. I love it. Like, I love it. It's just, I love orange and blue, like the Knicks. I had did a whole like makeup tutorial on them just because I love orange and blue. So yeah, I really like this scarf, and I plan on getting more. So some other stuff that I got. Okay, so I got some Juicy Couture. So I went to the mall just randomly shopping, I think, and I smelled the new Juicy Couture, and it's a must-have. And I didn't even think about this because I was with my mother. She was about to buy it for me, and it was just gonna be a Christmas gift that I knew about. I was like, you know, I'm almost out of my Bulgari Coral, Bulgari, whatever. I'm almost out of that, and it's like my all-time favorite fragrance. So if you want to give me a perfume, just give me that. But she actually bought herself that for Christmas, which I was like, why you ain't just buy me another bottle? But anyway, she got me this Juicy Couture Glacé. Then the actual box looks like this. It just, Juicy Couture, it just has like this sweet candy-like scent, but not childish. With that big bottle, I also got like this money pouch. It just says Juicy Couture. It's pink. It reminds me of the Crown Royal pouches that my uncles used to keep a whole bunch of change in. I guess I'll just use it for that. I don't know. So I'm also in dire need of primer. I asked for primer. I'm too cheap to buy this by myself. So I got it as a Christmas gift. When I said I'm cool with that, because it's not like I need toys. Like, I'm too old for toys. All I ever ask for is money and gift cards. But my people like to buy actual gifts. They don't think gift cards are like actual gifts. So when I say I need primer, look, I love this stuff, and I've been using sample after sample of all primers, and now my samples are gone. So yes, that's awesome. Thanks. Next is the Buxom lip gloss. This color is in Serena. I wanted the one in Kimberly, but it seems to be sold out at all times. And it's just this like goldish, pinkish, glittery type of color. I'm also out of finishing spray, so I got some MAC Fix Plus spray. I haven't had MAC Fix Plus spray of my own in God knows how long. It's been years. Literally been years. I went to Ulta and I picked up the little baby bottle, but a few more dollars you can get got the big bottle. And y'all have already seen this 1,001 times before, but I do like the new packaging. Like it has like glitter in it, and I haven't used this but once, and I promise you I'm using too much already, but this stuff is like absolutely amazing. Like, alright, so the next thing I got is a pair of Uggs. Well, I am late to the UGG bandwagon, but when I tell you I am obsessed, girl, like I have to have every color now. Like it's that deep now. I wore them for the first time today. Today was my not engagement party, but my uncle just proposed to his girlfriend, and they are now fiancés. And I wore these, and I always thought these was gonna make my foot look big. Like they look big on camera, but whatever. Like I don't even care. Now I'm starting to look at them like these do look big. Do I want these? I don't care. Like I love these. I do. I love these. I freaking love these. Like these are like my new obsession. Like where have I been? What have I been doing? What other boots have I been wearing? Like these are it. I just see, I seen my cousin in some like probably like 5 years ago. I'm like, oh, those are cute, but you know, I don't know, they look a little big. Then I just was like, okay, I want a pair, and they got me a pair, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So every year my mom has like this tradition that she created by herself, and it's to buy pajamas. She's a pajama fanatic, so she buys me a pair every year, and this is by Jillian and O'Malley, and it's a thermal pajama set. Oh, these have reindeer. Okay, I couldn't tell. I just thought it was like some. I need to crack these open tomorrow, because today is December 30th. Obviously tomorrow's December 31st, but right now, as of now, it's 9 degrees outside. The next piece that I have, and I really wasn't expecting this when I opened it up, so when I was unwrapping the package, I was like, what is this? But it is this gorgeous yellow gold sweatshirt. Champion sweatshirt. Has like the little Champion logo, and it's just really basic. But it's super cute. This sweatshirt with a pair of jeans and my Uggs, and just calling it a day. I just really have been loving yellow, so it's weird that she picked that out. I've been loving yellow, and I've been loving pink. So this was nice. I appreciate a good sweatshirt, and it doesn't have like that itchy material on the inside. Like, I don't know, like it has that soft fuzzy type of material on the inside. I can't stand an itchy sweatshirt, so I really appreciate this. And my last gift were a pair of Vans. If you don't know, I love Vans, and it's these silver metallic Vans. They had just posted these on their Instagram. Gonna be a popping shoe. Like, I love the silver, and I like the fact that they included white laces. Black laces would have just did this all types of wrong, but this is nice. So that was it for my what I got for Christmas 2017 haul. I appreciate you. If you have made it to the end of this video, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Again, it is free.